Сәлеметсіздер ме? Номері 21 орта мектептің ағылшын тілі пәні мұғалімі Тыныштықбаева Перизат. Good day, dear students. I am glad to see you today. I hope that you have a good time at summer holiday and know it's time to study. Today is our lesson, Module 1 and Lesson 1, Home and Away. Lesson objectives: to understand meaning from context in short text, to ask simple questions and give basic information about themselves. I know that you have already known the alphabet, but we are going to repeat it. For us, you are going to listen the ordering, then you are read the alphabet for yourselves. Also, pay attention to the order of the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, children. As you know, English alphabet has vowels and consonants. Is Kazakh alphabet. Vowels letters are A, E, I, O, U, and Y. Consonants letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, children, look at this table. You can see that some letters are missed in the table. You should fill them. For example, A and C. What letter is between them? Yes, children, B. In this way, continue doing the task. Now, watch the video.
Girls, I want you to meet Mr. Gru.
Hi, I'm Margot. This is Edith, and that's Agnes.
My name's Ralph, and I'm a bad guy.
Hi, mister! Hello!
Oh,
What's your name?
Ralph. Wreck-It Ralph.
Hello, my name is Bruce.
Hello, Bruce.
Hi, I'm Dory.
Hello, Dory.
And well, I don't think I've ever eaten a fish.
Okay. Hello. My name is Marlin. I'm a clownfish.
Clownfish? Really?
Timon, this is Nala. She's my best friend.
I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
Oh, I'm so glad you're not a dinosaur.
Very funny video, isn't it? Now you learned exercise 1. Complete the conversation with the phrases below. Next task is match activities. For example, hello, hi. In this way, continue matching. Now, children, your homework exercise 3. You make complete the dialogue. The lesson is over. Thank you for attention. Goodbye, children.